congratulations. You know, it's your passion for the product that's made what it is. Really, really, you're gonna do really well. And you always have me as a fan till the kids grow up. Okay, thank you, Mr. Jolly.
Farzad, no, Amy.
The MRP of the napkin.
We're now open to questions from our friends in media. So if there's any question directed towards Farzad or Mr. Johari, we're open to it. I request someone, to please take the mic around so we all are audible.
I think Satya wants to ask a question.
मेरा सवाल मिस्टर जौहरी के लिए है आपका जो प्रोडक्ट है इंडिया में
ये हमारे 10 साल के एक्सपीरियंस के बाद हमने डिज़ाइन किया है. If you go to Malaysia, Thailand or China, their adults are also very short. Their babies are even shorter. Their XL size will not fit our Indians medium size for clothes. Same is true with the nappies. So we have taken into consideration all that, the length of the diaper, the width of the diaper, and the diaper three-dimensional. It is three-dimensional. So when it goes towards back, it is thinner, and when it comes towards the absorbency rate is thicker. So when the child is lying down on the back, there is nothing hard pushing its back. It is very thin on the back. So these are some of the special features of the diaper.
Farizad, hi, over here. You being a mother, I mean to say you have been using it before, like they came to you.
Right.
What was the thing like you were looking in a diaper, like for your child?
You know, I ordinarily, till I discovered Teddy, like I said, I had to tell you my story. I played very safe, right? So I went for the international brands because a nappy is the most, infections, urinary infections are so high in children. So if you don't have a good product, you're in trouble. So that's one area I would never want to mess with. It was only because this girl convinced me to try it, and because it was a nappy and not a diaper, and it wasn't an international brand, I tried it. Because the nappy is still safe, it goes on a piece of cloth, so there is air, there are lots of other factors where my child won't get an infection. When I tried the product, it was by sheer fluke that I tried it. And when I tried the product, I'm telling you, softness, not bruising your child's skin. The fact that at every area, it absorbs. It doesn't leak, so there's no leakage. It's so much practicality in this thing. I'm telling you, I actually go and just source this product, and I have been gifted some diapers by a company, and it hasn't worked for me. You know what I'm saying? So it's a really solid product. It's a product that really works for your child. It's for a mother, basic things. Do you want a product that doesn't hurt your child? So, the side flap that we're talking about, that can graze your child and scar, hurt your child's skin. It's soft and if you feel the fabric of the diaper, the feel of the fabric on top, it's soft. You can see it's absorbent, but it's also soft. It doesn't, it's like malmal on your hand, and it really holds. So there's no leakage, there are no accidents, there's no soiling of bed sheets. It's really wonderful. Actually, for a month, what's really important? This. If this hurts, your child is insane. For me, this has to be soft and absorbent. It has to have like a dual purpose. It can't just be soft and not absorbed and like have leakages all over. This, I know a girl I hook. What is with the diaper? It works like a dream. And yeah, God. Who would have thought I'd be posing in diaper?
Farizad, but I just wanted to ask, being a celebrity yourself, normally we have been like seeing a mother celebrity or whoever it is, like normally do you change diapers or nappies?
Boss, I'm a complete hands-on mother. It's insane. My husband thinks I'm neurotic sometimes. Of course I have help, but I don't have the nurse and the, I'm completely hands-on. And if I'm around, which I am, so out of 10 changes I may land up doing 5, but I love it. I absolutely completely love it. My daughter, my older daughter, had an infection. So I felt so guilty. Okay, where did I go wrong? So no, I'm completely hands-on, completely.
My friend,
Boss, actress, no actress, when it's mother, it's all.
Hi, Farzad.
Hi. Which is a no. is a very good question if you're not a mother, okay? You know, a cloth में बहुत सारे infections होते हैं. So you know the mentality is nahi, the cloth gets soiled, you can wash it, and you know immediately the bacha is not sitting in a diaper for too long. But with cloth, even though you wash it, the infection levels can be very high. There are germs that stay in, even though your maid is like washing and washing. I use cloth with a nappy pad. You know what I'm saying? So it's still, the child still gets air, and it's still, it's like a midway for me, okay? Because of the airflow. But if you're going to give me a nappy that you're saying is absorbent, okay, that absorbs the air and that gives you free airflow, I would go for this. Now the greatest test, okay, he's saying all these wonderful things and I do believe him, but I will put this on my child. And if my child has a sore or becomes red 4 hours from now, this nappy is not working for me. But the nappies work for me phenomenally, so I'm sure these will as well. Because the texture, the fabric, the lining, everything seems the same. And like he said, you know this 3D thing that he's talking about, yeah? The fact that this part is lighter, it's easier for the baby. You know, it's not one chunky piece of thing that just kind of suffocates the child. Have I answered your question? Yeah? Will you use teddy nappy? Hello?
मिस्टर जौहरी, अगर हम प्रोडक्ट की टैगलाइन की बात करें तो टेडी ही क्यों चूज किया आपने टैगलाइन टेडी जो हम प्रोडक्ट की बात करें हाँ अगर हम प्रोडक्ट के नाम की बात करें तो टेडी ही क्यों चूज किया आपने ये वर्ड
Every child loves Teddy, whether it's a boy or a girl. Every child, everywhere in the world, they love Teddy. So that's why we chose Teddy. And our adult diaper range is known as Friend. It's a friend of the old age. They can't control their usage. Both the names are very good.
Could we have the next question, please? Yes, please. Could you pass the mic to the gentleman here in the middle? Yeah, just a second. The mic's coming to you.
Thank you very much. I am Prakash Oval. I have gone to the slides which you have shown now. It's a very wonderful product is that, whatever the imported product you have shown on the slide that way. I am so much happy today that you are launching this Teddy diaper because my grandson is on that particular packet. He is Mr. I am very, very happy. This is one of the memorable day for throughout my life. I am very, very grateful. I would like to show my
Grandson, is he here?
Yeah.
The happy boy.
Other-
Teddy baby, happy baby. Oh! Baby on the pack?
Yes.
Teddy baby, heavy baby.
Teddy baby. What's his name? What's his name? Advait.
Oh, this is a happy affair. I love this place. Parizad, it's a little early for him.
Lucky boy.
Post joggers pack, the only grandfather for baby.
Wow, he doesn't want to leave. Ladies and gentlemen, any other questions? You are welcome. Or we can just all look at him and enjoy the evening.
So along with selling the diapers and the nappies, like
Could you
what
please
are
pass the mic to him,
what are
sir?
the other programs also
Just a
like
second.
we're trying to give it for the awareness to the people who are using a cloth also actually. Normally in India we see most of the
So I
people
request
use
you
a
to
cloth.
please repeat your question on the mic so everyone can hear your question and hence we can relate.
Hello.
Thanks.
Yeah, in India, we find normally people using the cloth, like, and they have lots of trust in that particular thing. And nappies are used when they feel like they're going out somewhere, and maybe for 3-4 hours they want to take the baby out. So, what are the awareness program also you have created, like using a nappy is more hygienic rather than using a cloth. So, what are the awareness program also actually?
See, awareness programs are being run by all the brand leaders who are there in the market, including us. In our advertisement, on our website, in our communication to shopkeepers, we always tell them everything what is good about diaper or nappy. And if you see any other developing country, this is a cycle which every country has gone through. That from no usage to slowly penetration increases. In United States, there is 97% penetration. Japan, 97% penetration. If you go to Kerala, just like it is a highly educated state, awareness is more, penetration is very high. So as the awareness and the per capita income increases, the expenditure on disposable hygiene increases everywhere.
You know, initially, diapers were very expensive. I mean, and they were all imported, right? So it was something people, only a very few could afford to kind of indulge in, you know. But with the advent of the nappy pad is what I'm saying. With the advent of that, it's so cost effective, it's unbelievable. It's like 7 rupees 50 paisa for a nappy pad. I'm telling the price. Like,
And
how much
not
is the
that.
diaper? No, I'm telling you. Oh, it's come to 6, okay. I get 360 rupees.
Oh God.
But yeah, but how much does this work out to the diaper? How much is it? How much is the diaper? Which is great because if you go to like a foreign company diaper, it's like 17, 18 bucks a pop. You know, which I mean, come on, if you keep using it, it becomes a bit much. Yeah.
This quality is sold at 60 to 70 rupees per unit.
Yeah. So you know the price, the fact that it's becoming affordable is like a huge thingy as well. You know, when a lot more households will start using it.
And the concept of nuclear families is catching on. There are no more joint families in cities if you see. So when both the parents are working, it is very convenient for to use diapers. Otherwise, who will take care of the child?
Next question, please. We're done with the round of questions. All right, so Farizad, it's been great, and I'd like to thank everyone sitting on the stage to be here, and of course, my friends in the media. It's time. Friends in the media, you guys can please take your one-on-one.
But I swear it's a good product.
Very right. Man up. Excuse me. Man up.
My dress is already ridiculous. You want the packet? You know.
No, यार, without packet. भैया थोड़ा सा आगे भैया थोड़ा सा आगे ये पंजाब जावे सामने भी पीछे वाले भाई कान सेंटर पंजाब जावे सामने पंजाब सेंटर में या पंजाब
जी.
यहाँ पे राइट में पंजाब थोड़ा सा और आगे बस हाँ ये कैमरे बच्चा डर जाएगा
कौन बोला बच्चा डर जाएगा?
पंजाब है सामने पंजाब सामने पंजाब एक पंजाब सेंटर
क्या करूँ? अभी यार
स्ट्रेट हो गया वन सेकंड पंजाब सामने पंजाब देख लो यहाँ पे
Down, down, down. Very,
Thank you.
Thank you.
तो वो नहीं So me. Are we done or more? Done? All good, no? Of course, come. Don't shout.
Yes.
Oh.
One second. Just
Okay, no kid cry, no kid cry. No
Yeah,
making the kid cry.
Yeah.
We don't want the kid to cry.
Yeah,
No
Advait is here.
crying, no crying.
Advait.
Advait, you want to come?
Yeah,
Puro?
go.
You want to come? Come on. The Teddy Nappy brand ambassador.
Yeah, come on. Man, it's a grand. Man, say hi. Hi. Man, yo, man. Man, yo. Yeah. Yeah, Paula, here.
Baby, खुश हो रहा है?
Yeah, here.
क्या लग जाएगा? You think so? Are we done?
एक मिनट Paula.
Yeah? Okay, please behind it. Bye, sweetie. Thank you.
Man, yo.
Action.
Both here. हाँ.
फरिजा, सबसे पहले तो मैंने आपकी तारीफ करी दी है।
जी.
तो इस प्रोडक्ट के बारे में कुछ बताइए। आज हम ब्रांड एम्बेसडर बन जाए, आप भी ऐसा
जी.
क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
Well, मैं यहाँ पर टेडी नैपी को endorse कर रही हूँ क्योंकि it's a product I use personally and it's a product I believe in. बहुत ही अच्छा product है and it's point A, it's phenomenal quality, बहुत ही अच्छी quality product है, बहुत ही economical है और nappy pads भी हैं और diapers भी हैं and I think it's something the Indian consumer is looking forward to. I swear by Teddy Nappy and I'm so proud to be here and happy to be here.
जैसे कि मैंने आपसे स्टेज पे सवाल पूछा था कि माएँ, बहुत सी ऐसी माएँ हैं जो कपड़े यूज़ करती हैं इंस्टेड ऑफ यूजिंग नैपी पैड्स, क्या कहना चाहिए?
You know, इंडिया में predominantly cloth के nappies इस्तेमाल करते हैं because एक notion है कि वैसे बच्चे को इन्फेक्शन नहीं लगेगा या you know when the child has soiled the nappy तो immediately बदल सकते हैं लेकिन मेरा जो experience है is that with a nappy pad with cloth you tend to know as much कपड़े और दूसरे सारी चीज़ soil नहीं हो जाते हैं आप जितना भी cloth को धोएंगे भी germs and infections still continue तो I think using a nappy pad is very very hygienic और अगर आप for like an overnighter I use a diaper जब मैं बाहर जाती हूँ मैं डायपर इस्तेमाल करती हूँ लेकिन दिन में I only use nappy pads on a cloth which is completely hygienic because the surface that your child touches is a nappy and not cloth which is like reusable.
बस ये सब तो ठीक है, आपने नैपी की बहुत तारीफ कर दी, मैं आपकी तारीफ करती हूँ कि आप बहुत खूबसूरत है, आपकी खूबसूरती का राज बता दीजिए यार।
खूबसूरती का राज है काम करना, दो बच्चे की